Since you came in, I knew back then you were that special one. I'm so in love.
Yeah, I want it, I got it. 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 Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciara Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, cousin? What's up? What it do? In this video, I try my very best to recreate, attempt at makeup, a little anti-Valentine's Day makeup for all of the people that are not in a relationship on Valentine's Day. Let's still slay till our hair turns gray. Let's still look cute, have fun, and remember it's just another day, and life goes on. Let's get into this makeup tutorial. I hope you like the look. If not, comment down below. A girl is trying, no hard feelings, it's cool. So let's get into the eyes. First, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. Now this concealer is beyond old, but I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers onto my eyelids and spread that out. You don't really need too much product because less is more. And while I'm concealing my eyeshadow base, I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my eyebrows and get that out the way.
You blind me with your love. With you I have no sign. I analyze myself. I was buck wild. Never thought about settling down. All the time I knew I was ready, but now with all my friends around. But girl, I put you first now.
So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this dark blue color right here. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and go in with this dark blue color up here, and we're gonna play with those we're gonna play with those first four blues. And for our transition shade, we're just going to use something light. I'm thinking we should go ahead with this color as a transition. And I'm just gonna place that into my crease like beauty gurus do. Now, I don't know what I'm doing, but I know that this better look good in the end. It will look good. I'm really confident that this is gonna look good. I don't normally play with colors, but when I do, I'm not gonna play with you. You have to work out. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to take this makeup off. And I'm just patting it. And it has a lot of fallout. Now, when you're applying colors, I don't have no foundation on right now because I assume that this will have a lot of fallout to it. And really, I'm just gonna place this all over the, I'm gonna show y'all.
This is my story, and I'm telling you, it's not fiction, it's surely a fact. Without you right here, having my back, I don't know where I'll be at. My whole life has changed since you came in. I knew back then you were that special one. I'm so in love, so deep in love.
Okay, so y'all see the blue, and some of it has transferred under my eye, but I'm gonna try to shake all the powder off of this brush. Then I'm gonna go and try to brush out the harsh edges without too much messiness. As y'all can see right here, it's kind of like acting weird.
Settling down. All the time I knew I was ready, but now with all my friends around. But girl, I put you first now. You made me, help on me, turn me into a man.
So I'm just picking up some more of that blue and reapplying that because I guess some of it blended too much away. And I still want to keep some of that color, but I don't want it to be as vivid. I want it to be a very subtle, like, oh, okay, I see you with the blue eyeshadow, okay. But this is like super beginner friendly. and I want to keep it there because I'm a beginner. If I try to do anything more, it'll be a disaster. So, and I'm gonna show y'all how we do this. Now, can you see? It's barely any concealer on here, but you have to be like kind of put your head upward and apply this, and be still. Don't be blinking. So right now I'm just applying some concealer right here to cut the shape I want to apply for like a cut crease type of look, but this is like super easy. And I'm just gonna put some really light blue glittery type of eyeshadow on top of my concealer. And that is how you make a cut crease for beginners. Keep watching to see me, you know, finesse step by step.
You blind me with your love, with you I have no sight. Girl, you open me, I'm wide open, and I'm doing things I never do. But I feel so good, I feel so good. Why'd it take so long, me find you? This is my story, and I'm telling you, it's not fiction, it's surely a fact. Without you right here, having my back, I don't know where I'll be at. My whole life has changed since you came in. I knew back then you were that special one. I'm so in love, so deep in love. You made my life complete. You are so sweet, no one competes. Glad you came into my life. You blind me with your love, with you I have no sight. I analyzed myself, I was buck wild. Never thought about settling down. All the time I knew I was ready, but now with all my friends around. But girl, I put you first now. You made me, help on me, turn me into a man.
So this part of the video, I'm just going to be applying some eyelashes off camera. If you want to learn how to apply eyelashes, look at my video. It's not about love, it's all about revenge. So for lips, I'm gonna try something new. I've never done this makeup look before or these looks on my lips. So we're gonna go in with a Kat Von D shade in the number color Hawken. I believe that's the name of it. Okay, it's this color. I'm gonna put that on first, then I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills color in the number Naked Liquid Lipstick. And this is I think this is more so nude compared to my light vivid eyes. I want my eyes to be the main attraction.
Girl, you open me, I'm wide open, and I'm doing things I never do. But I feel so good, I feel so good. Why'd it take so long, me find you? This is my story, and I'm telling you, it's not fiction, it's surely a fact. Without you right here, having my back.
Do y'all think my lips are too much for the eyes? Because I don't have my brown eyeliner. Otherwise, this would have been a very neutral look. Ugh.
I like the way you're making me feel. Come push up on me, baby, see you